Welcome to another TechHelp video brought to you by AccessLearningZone.com. I'm your instructor, Richard Rost. Got a fast tip for you today. Going to show you how to add the comment block and uncomment block buttons to your VBA editor in Microsoft Access. This will allow you to quickly comment or uncomment large blocks of code. So this is one of my pet peeves with VBA in general. And it's that if you want to comment out a whole block of code, it's a pain in the behind, right? You got to come over here and you got to put the single character, right, the single apostrophe, right, for each line. And if you got 50 lines to do, that can take you a while. It'd be nice if you could just select them all and hit a button, right? Or some languages like C++ or ASP even, they've got start comment and end comment tags you can put in here, but VBA doesn't do that. You got to put this stupid thing in the front of each line. So it'd be nice if we could just select all of this and then say comment or uncomment, right? There's no right click option for that. But there are some buttons you can add up here to the toolbars to do that for you, right? So to do that, we're going to modify the toolbars. Just right click on any one of these toolbars anywhere and go to customize. That brings up this guy, the customize window. And I think I covered this on like my early developer lessons, but go to edit here and then scroll down the list and you'll find comment block and uncomment block. Those are features that are available, but they're not on any of the default menus. So I'm going to grab these and drop them. I like to put them right here, right? And then grab uncomment block and drop them right there. Okay, now hit close. Now, if you want to comment this, just select it, hit the comment block button. Look at that, see? And this one will uncomment it. It's that simple. See? Uncomment. Now, if you like using keyboard shortcuts, you can assign keyboard shortcuts to them as well. Right-click, customize, then right-click again. Put the little ampersand in here like we do with Access Forms, right? So that'll be an Alt+C. But you also have to do image and text. It's got to have the text there so the Alt+C works, right? And then do the same thing for this guy. Right click and make it Alt-U like that. And you can just do, uncomment. You don't have to have the whole word uncomment block in there, right? Image and text. Same thing with this one here. You can change that to just comment, make them smaller, right? And then, of course, my window's nice and small, so it's not all fitting on there, but you get the point, right? There we go. Now, if we select all of this and go Alt-C, it comments them, or Alt-U to uncomment them. But you have to have the text visible there for that to work, which I think is kind of silly, but that's how it goes. And another silly thing is you can keep hitting comment, 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 and that happens. So it's not perfect, but it could be a time saver. If you're like me, sometimes when I'm testing code, you gotta comment all this stuff out, comment, 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 or I'll just usually cut it and then paste it in a notepad or somewhere where it's harmless, and then I'll forget to paste it back in. So that happens. But there you go. I'm going to turn these back off for my databases, though. I don't use them that often, and I don't want them there so everyone gets confused, and they're like, where'd those come from? So I turn them off in here. So customize, and then we just drag them off like that, and that gets rid of them. See? Nice and simple. So that's it. Just a fast tip today. But that's going to be your Tech Help video for today. Hope you learned something. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button right now and give me a like. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, which is completely free. And make sure you click that bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Do you need help with your Microsoft Access project? Whether you need a tutor, a consultant, or a developer to build something for you, check out my Access Developer Network. It's a directory I put together personally of Access experts who can help with your project. Visit my website to learn more. Any links or other resources that I mentioned in the video can be found in the description text below the video. Just click on that show more link right there. YouTube's pretty good about hiding that, but it's there. Just look for it. Now, if you have not yet tried my free Access Level 1 course, check it out now. It covers all the basics of Microsoft Access, including building forms, queries, reports, tables, all that stuff. It's over 4 hours long. You can find it on my website or my YouTube channel. I'll include a link below you can click on. And did I mention it's completely free? And if you like level 1, level 2 is just $1. That's it. and it's free for members of my YouTube channel at any level. Speaking of memberships, if you're interested in joining my channel, you get all kinds of awesome perks. Silver members get access to all of my extended cut TechHelp videos, and there's hundreds of them by now. They also get one free beginner class each month, and yes, those are for my full courses. Gold members get the previous perks plus access to download all of the sample databases that I build in my TechHelp videos. Plus, you get access to my code vault where I keep tons of different functions and all kinds of source code that I use. And gold members get one free expert class every month after completing the beginner series. Platinum members get all of the previous perks, plus they get all of my beginner courses, all of them from every subject. And you get one free advanced or developer class every month after finishing the expert series. And you can become a diamond sponsor and have your name listed on the sponsor page on my website. So that's it. Once again, my name is Richard Rost. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by accesslearningzone.com. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something today. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you next time.